Welcome back. Please don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our future videos. And hit the like button. Thank you. Welcome to Daily Ultimate Guide to the World Fun, Riotous, Uplifting, Inspiring videos. Nothing like a good grooming session to start the day. Looks at his long white mustache. My mustache is looking particularly magnificent today. Hey, guys. Check out my mustache. Yeah, I know. I put a lot of work into it. Wait, you can't grow mustaches like mine? Well, I guess that makes sense. I mean, I wouldn't expect you to be able to climb trees like I can. A car pulls up beside the deer. Hey buddy, want a banana?
Want a bite?
A banana? Yummy. That smells delicious. The deer approaches the car, and the driver hands him the banana. The deer starts eating it. See, I told you. Bananas can kidnap innocent deers anytime. 3 lions and a tiger try to get away from a human again. They all look confused and a little frustrated. Man, why do humans always have to make things so complicated? We just want to live our lives, but they keep coming up with new ways to confuse us. Hey, what's going on here? Who is holding a camera? Oh, just another typical day in the life of a lion. Trying to figure out how to order pizza and get away from human. Just kidding, we're lions, we don't eat pizza, we eat meat. Why they don't even give us technology like TV? Hey, what's going on here? You humans are so strange. What is up with all medical checkup? Just another day in the wild. Thanks for watching. Meet the pack, a group of 10 playful pups who love to run and play. This is the best day ever. Look, a waterfall. Let's play in it. Bath time. This is not a waterfall. It's just a moving sprinkler. Oh no, we fell for the trick. Guys, bath time. Don't fall for that trick.